got my chicken sandwich. My chicken sandwich. My chicken sandwich. My chicken sandwich. Got that lettuce. Green. That tomato. Red. Got that
Boo. Boo. Chicken's done.
chicken sandwich. Hey yo. Hey yo. Crispy on flame broad. Deep fried on baked blood.
Hey guys, it's your boy, Chicken Leg. I got another food review for you. So, y'all heard about Bojangles, right? Of course you have. Y'all know the Chicken Master. Chicken Master is about to eat some Bojangles. So apparently Bojangles has a chicken sandwich I've never heard about. But, let's get into this. Alright. I have it wrapped up nice and neat. Well, it's there's lettuce, tomato, and mayo. Not really my bread and butter, but I'll try it. I'll try her out. Okay, so I didn't bring my sweet tea in here, but you know, when life gives you lemons. So let's try this out. There's a little bit of seeds on the top to add flavor to the bread, and I'll see how that tastes. So what do you say I quit talking and I chow my food? Just kidding. That's not our motto. Are you gonna eat that? I got no lettuce and no tomato that bite, so I have to get the whole experience because so far I'm liking it. Well, this is actually pretty good. This is actually pretty good. So y'all know I really like chicken sandwiches, chicken biscuits. I named myself after a chicken. But you may not know this, but along the line of my history, there has been chickens in my family line. There was my dad's uncle was a chicken. And that's why people don't know this, but I'm part chicken. And it kind of inspires me to be more of a chicken. And that's why I'm your boy Chicken Legs. I know I clearly don't have chicken legs. I actually have thunder thighs. But we have been getting a lot more subs recently. A while ago? No, not even a while ago. Like 2 months ago I had 30 subs. 2 months ago. We doubled that in 2 months. We doubled what I got in a year in 2 months. That just shows how strong y'all are. We are the strongest family on YouTube. Shout out to Greg. Well, accident happened there. Not finished. But there's a couple of things I wanted to tell y'all. This may be hard, but I think y'all can do it. If we smash 10 likes on this video, I will drink an ounce of ranch. I know what you're thinking. Ew, ranch. And I agree. It tastes good on pizza and salad and stuff. But ain't nobody gonna drink ranch plain, boy. But if you get this to 10 likes, I sure as heck will. You can place your bottom dollar on that. But the bread does taste good. I don't know, it's like a it's not like a perfect 10, but it's higher than 7. Like 7.4. 3, 2, in that ballpark. I'm not like saying it's terrible, but I'm not saying it's like heavenly, like Chick-fil-A. Like, peace, supreme.